गोंय राज्यांतल्या चडांचड अग्निवीरांची नोंदणी जावची म्हूण गोंयच्या नौदळ फांट्यांचे यत्न आसतले अशें गोंयचे फ्लॅग ऑफिसर रियर ॲडमिरल विक्रम मेनन हांणी सांगलें. भारत सरकाराच्या अग्निपथ येवजणे विशीं माध्यमां कडेन उलयतना तांणी ही म्हायती दिली. राज्यांतली विद्यालयां तशेंच महाविद्यालयांक भेट दिवन येवजणेची म्हायती विद्यार्थ्यां मेरेन पावयतले. अग्निवीराक थारावीक रक्कम दितले. ह्या पयशांतल्यान तांकां उच्च शिक्षण घेवपाक शक्य जातले. 25% अग्निवीरांक 15 वर्सां नौदळांत सेवा करपाची संद मेळटली. संरक्षण दळांत गोंयकार तरणाट्यांक चडांत चड नोकऱ्यो मेळच्यो हे खातीर सरकार यत्न करतले.
An extremely transformational, it's a bold step, and I think it sets a long-term vision for the services. There were certain key aspects which have been taken into consideration when developing the scheme itself, so that it has long-term benefits, not just for the services but for the nation. And I think that is the paradigm in which we should all look at it. Like I said, transformational. And why transformational? Because it is looking at harnessing the youth of the nation. As we brought out yesterday, that the aim would be to help reduce the overall age bracket of these services. A more youthful profile